What if the words we speak could heal or harm more than we realize? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we explore pure Theravada teachings from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to everyday life in the modern West. In the previous episode, we delved into right view and right intention, the wisdom foundation that guides the entire Noble Eightfold Path toward liberation from suffering. Today, we continue with right speech and right action, the ethical conduct, factors that transform our words and deeds into sources of harmony and peace for ourselves and others. Right speech is the third factor of the path. The commitment to speak truthfully, kindly, helpfully, and at the right time, abstaining from false speech, divisive speech, harsh speech, and idle chatter. The Buddha taught in the Magga Vibhanga Sutta from Samyutta Nikaya 45.8 that right speech avoids lies, that harm speech that divides communities, words that wound, and meaningless talk that wastes time. False speech destroys trust and creates conflict. Divisive speech breaks friendships and groups. Harsh speech causes pain, and idle chatter distracts the mind from what is beneficial. By practicing right speech, we cultivate trustworthiness, unity, gentleness, and meaningful communication, creating conditions for inner and outer peace. Right action is the fourth factor. The commitment to abstain from killing living beings, taking what is not given, and sexual misconduct, acting with care and respect for life, property, and relationships. The Buddha explained that right action means refraining from harming any creature, from stealing or cheating, and from causing pain through improper sexual conduct, protecting the well-being of all. Killing creates fear and hatred. Stealing breeds distrust and resentment. Misconduct destroys relationships and self-respect, all leading to suffering for oneself and others. Practicing right action brings safety, trust, and harmony, allowing the mind to settle in peace without regret or fear of consequences. Together, right speech and right action form the ethical conduct group of the path, purifying our behavior and creating the conditions for deeper concentration and wisdom. The Buddha emphasized that ethical conduct is the foundation, like fertile soil for a tree, supporting all higher factors of the path to grow strong and bear fruit. For us in the modern West, right speech offers a powerful tool for reducing conflict in conversations, emails, and social media interactions that often escalate quickly. Choosing words that are true and kind can de-escalate arguments, build stronger relationships, and leave us with a lighter heart free from regret. Right action reminds us to act with mindfulness in daily choices, from respecting life in small ways to being honest in work and faithful in relationships. These factors help us navigate ethical dilemmas in busy lives, reducing stress from guilt or conflict, and fostering genuine connections with others. Start today by pausing. Before speaking or acting, asking, is this true, kind, and helpful, or does this action respect life and trust? This simple practice plants seeds of peace that grow into lasting calm and clarity in our interactions. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will explore right livelihood and right effort, bringing ethical work and energy to the path. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Magga Vibhanga Sutta Samyutta, Nikaya 45.8 at Sutta Central or access to Insight, free public domain resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace as right speech and right action create harmony in words and deeds for the benefit of all. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, inviting you to subscribe and explore more. Pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding. Right speech and right action together form the ethical foundation, showing that peace begins with how we communicate and behave toward others. It encourages us to speak with care in a world of quick judgments, reducing harm, and building trust in relationships and communities. Remember right action as the commitment to non-harm, helping us make choices that protect life and promote safety for ourselves and others. This teaching highlights that ethical conduct supports mental calm, freeing the mind from regret and allowing deeper concentration. The Buddha's path is practical and timeless, offering tools for Western beginners to navigate daily interactions with wisdom and heart. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time, and remember, the path to peace grows stronger with every kind and ethical word or action. May you find inspiration in these factors to cultivate harmony and clarity in your daily life and connections. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. Right speech and right action remind us that our words and deeds shape not only our relationships, but also the peace within our own hearts. His teaching on these factors shows that ethical living is the ground from which all higher insights arise naturally. By reflecting on our speech and actions, we gain perspective on our habits, reducing reactivity, and promoting acceptance in our ever-changing world. This tale encourages mindful communication and behavior as the foundation, helping us build kinder interactions and a more peaceful heart in modern society. The legacy of the Eightfold Path invites us to practice ethics daily, paving the way for deeper peace in our daily experiences and routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginners seeking clarity and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more awakened and compassionate existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore right livelihood and right effort in greater detail. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The Ethical Conduct Group is a beacon for those seeking relief from regret, offering practical wisdom that can gently guide words and actions toward lasting tranquility.